It took two major movie outfits to recreate one of the most bizarre films ever produced in local cinema. A movie based on true accounts. The horrifying tales that continue to haunt the survivors even in this very hour. These are only glimpses of what really transpired on that fateful night of December 3, 1993. The Cecilia Masagka story, Antipolo Massacre. Jesus save us. They say it was Winifredo Masagka who committed the massacre.
Kuya mo! Pinatay nila ang kuya mo! Pinatay nila!
Some say the carnage was perpetrated by a possessed bolo. But Cecilia Masagka has a version of her own. It was the devil who slaughtered the victims.
Ano gusto mong gawin ko sa kamatayan ng kapatid ko? Ako si Winifredo Masagka.
Hindi ka si Winifredo Masagka.
Yun ang pangalan ko.
Hindi ang pangalan mo tinatanong ko. Ang katauhan mo. Sino ka? Sino ka?
It all started when the owner of this bolo died a violent death, and the deadly weapon landed in this young man's hand. The possessed bolo. The possessed man. The carnage. The survivors. The night, even hell, fell silent. The forces of God versus the forces of evil. On the night of December 3, 1993, Cecilia Masagka was caught in the middle. They say love conquers all. On that fateful night, it happened. During the height of Winifredo's murderous rage, his love for Cecilia prevailed.
Tumakbo na kayo, Cecilia. Tumakas na kayo ng mga anak natin. Bago magbago isip ko.
Cesar Montano. Don Zureta. The Cecilia Masagka Story. Antipolo Massacre. Jesus Save Us. A film by Carlo J.